Need the top, you can't just carry water around. There it is, it's by your mommy's elbow, right there.
That's my water.
Okay, let's put the top on.
Can I put that?
Okay, come over here, we'll put it. Yeah, get your mommy and take your coat off.
Mama, can I take my coat off?
Yes.
I need to take that.
Why don't you leave that one on? Leave
No.
the pink one on.
Okay, that's enough.
Alright, well don't leave it right there. Go put it with your stuff downstairs, honey.
Just go put it right by the door because we're going to be leaving.
Right here.
Sure. Thank you.
I'm going